Zoetic premium high-strength multi-stream formula with 50 billion live biocultures. Easy to take, professionally engineered capsule delivery method. GMO-free, ethically and naturally sourced. 30-day supply, proudly made in the UK. Proprietary 50 billion CFU high-strength formula offers 9 active strains that work in synergy with your body to produce helpful gut bacteria. 100% natural and vegan, suitable for adult men and women even during pregnancy. A comprehensive one-a-day gut health supplement. Each capsule offers 9 active strains, including Lactobacillus acidophilus, Bifidobacterium. 80% of the immune system is in the stomach, and balanced gut health is of the utmost importance. Zoetic. Live your best life.